about that much. Some black pepper. Then now it's time to add all the veggies. Let's start with these. Add our bell peppers. Yellow peppers and red peppers. Then add our carrots. Then add our spring onions. Don't skip this part of adding the spring onions, because this is what will add all the beautiful flavor that you'll get of the egg rolls. Then finally we add our cilantro. You can see how beautiful these colors are. And now time to whisk. This is a healthy meal because of all the vegetables. Then now let's heat up the pan and start preparing our egg rolls. So let's heat up our pan. Let's heat up our pan. And let's add some butter. Now ensure that while cooking the egg rolls, your heat is on medium low so that you don't burn the eggs, because if you burn them, then they'll break when you'll be folding or rolling them. So let's start. We're just going to pour in a bit of our eggs, not all of it, and then let that cook on medium-low heat. Let me spread all the vegetables. Let it cook on medium-low heat, guys, not high heat, because that will burn the egg before it even cooks. So this is how you do it. Just keep rolling as you check your egg towards one side and repeat that. Oh, it's sliding. But then you also need to keep adding more, a little bit at the edge, like this. Just going to add more here, more of the egg. Like that, and then also let that cook and then keep rolling. So I'm going to come back with the final product. like that. And there you have your egg roll. So let's plate it. Egg rolls are very delicate, so let's plate this. So before we cut it into bite-sized pieces, you're gonna let it rest for a while, because if you cut it right now, it will break. So you want to serve this in bite-sized pieces. So this is a very nice recipe for even kids. You can pack this in their lunch boxes as they go to school, or even for adults. Breakfast is not just meant for bread to be served for breakfast, so you can do eggs in different ways. So this is one of the ways. So that's it, guys. This is very yummy, very nutritious, and very beautiful. So guys, this is our egg roll. So thank you for watching. Hope you try this recipe out, and if you love it, please comment down below and share these beautiful recipes with your family and friends. Thank you, guys. Bye. See you next time.